Hey guys, it's your boy Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna continue on with our series. I believe this is day 13 of Clickbank, making money with Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. Alright, so first thing you want to do is sign in to my lead gen, get your account going. You know what? Oh, I want to show y'all. I got me a sale from my channel. I got a sale from my channel with my lead gen secrets today. I meant yesterday, right here. I was kind of shocked to see it, but all right, let me continue on. Get the link in the description for my lead gen secrets. And once you do that, you log in, do all stuff, and you log in, you get to this page here. You click on mailing system, and you get to this page here, which show all your leads and what you can mail. Alright, so now you go to Clickbank, and when you go to Clickbank, that's the link in the description as well. What you want to do is sign in, do all the stuff you need to sign in, and log in. It don't take too much. You need to hook your bank account or something like that to your account so you can get paid. And I like to set mine on the lowest, which is $10. Once you make over $10, they'll send it to your account. But you can set it on whatever you want, but that's the lowest it can go, and it's really good because a lot of places don't even do that. Don't even go that low. A lot of places, the lowest they'll send you is 50. But you can set it. You can set the thing to $10. Like you get your whatever your first sale be. More than likely, they'll send the money straight to you, very quickly, which I like about Clickbank personally. All right, so you want to log into Clickbank, do all the stuff, get to this page. You want to click on Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, you want to click on e-business and e-marketing. Okay, you can make sales with other offers up here, but this is what you're aiming for: e-business, e-marketing, because people in my lead gen secret sign in to make money online. That's what they ask them. Do you want offers to make money online? That's what they ask people who sign into my lead gen secrets. So it's best for you to do that as well. All right, so our first product, get paid to use Facebook. This is the one I would use personally, but we out of emails for it, right? So we're going down and we trying this product here. I'm gonna be honest, this product is not performing as well as this product was. I gotta say that. But you need to rotate emails. You can't. I guess you could restart sending the same emails to the same product if you want to. I personally wouldn't recommend that, but you can do that and see what happens. But you want to offer different offers because different people kind of see different offers and think, hey, I want to try that. You know what I mean? You gotta think in the person's mind, like what would make sense for you if you were interested in money when you want different offers and see what they were talking about, stuff like that. So try to think like that. So we're gonna continue with this offer here. We're gonna continue. It's only 5 emails, but it's definitely not performing as well as the Facebook one here. This is the best one in my opinion, but we're gonna continue with this one. So far it's not performing as well. We only sent 2 emails, so it's cool. Let's give it a shot. Sometimes you gotta kind of give it some time to work, like maybe to get sales, and it just depends. It's just a numbers game. Honestly, it's a numbers game. You gotta have a lot of people to send emails to, and eventually the more people that get your email, the more people that's gonna buy. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's go up here, and we're gonna go to email 3. We on email 3 here. Make sure to click emails. That be paid to hunt spelling errors. We're just gonna copy that. We're just gonna post it like it is and see how it performs here. Okay, because sometimes I pick first name and it seems to do a little bit better when I do that. We'll just leave it alone because I think I'd be interested in that. Be paid to hunt spelling errors, how it is. We're gonna leave them alone. We're gonna leave it alone and not mess with it. And we're gonna try this here. See, you gotta try different. You could try different ways of sending emails. Like we know that from my experience, pinning the first name in the email there kind of calls them out, and kind of makes them like, hey, that's talking to me, and so it's more likely to click on it. But you always got to make sure that it's consistent. So I always test it out and do it like that. That's what I personally do. You don't have to do that at all. It's just something I kind of just get a feel of if I want to send it with that or not, or do I want to put my email in it or not, or whatever. This is a long email. Long emails don't perform that well in general, but that's not all the time. That's just my bias. You know what I mean? Just something I noticed. So I don't know. It might perform good. You gotta keep trying stuff. So you put your name in right there, right? And so it's a long email, but it might perform well. It's labeled pretty good, so I like how the email looks. So I wanna basically the reason why you don't want long emails, because think about if you got a very long email, how would you feel after kind of just skim it, trying to see what's going on? You'll read it a little bit. You might lose interest before you click on the link. That's why I think long emails are probably a bad way to go, unless you're trying to build an audience, so to speak. Like I'm trying to build my audience in a certain way and mail them personally and try to get them to like trust me or whatever. Then you can see long emails and give them stuff like that. But this is my lead gen secrets, so these are not warm leads. These are cold leads. So it's a numbers game. So what you do, you send emails and you get sales based on that. They're not really caring who sent the email, you know what I mean? So that's why you could pick anything for the signature. But okay, so what does it say? Pick the link. Secure your okay. I probably could have told that. All right, so we get our email here. We get mlgs1.com. So yeah. Also, well, I'm gonna talk about it later. Okay, so you put it in right here. You put your link right here and hit paste, and there you go. Post. Something like that. And you check you preview it. Make sure it works well. Make sure it's absolutely fine here. And proofread, make sure your link works. You want to make sure your link works, so if your link don't work, you don't get paid. So you want to make sure your link works. You don't get paid even if they want to buy it, So make sure your link works. Now understand something. You need with these My Lead Gen Secrets accounts, it's a numbers game. The more accounts you have, the better chance you is of making money online. In your first 30 days, you're probably not gonna get sales. In your first 21, 30 days, the average is 21 or 30 days. If you got 5 accounts, it takes a minute to build up your leads. If you got 5 accounts, I know of one person that had 7 accounts on their first month and gotten multiple sales in their first month and made most of their money back. But other than that, it doesn't really happen that often. You could look for your first sale. I think the average is around 21 to 24 days. It can go as long as 30 days, and it can start as you can get a sale on your first day. We don't know, but it's just a numbers game. You gotta have, the more leads you have, the more chances of getting sales. That's the cool thing about Clickbank. So let's send this email here on My Lead Gen Secrets. You don't really have to do much work to make money. That's the point. And that's why the system works so well, I think, because it makes people able to make money without needing a whole lot of knowledge on about building websites and whatnot, building your own. Well, nowadays it's not really that hard to do it, but it's still a lot of work. It can be a lot of work to test everything, make sure everything works. But look, that's how easy it is. You send an email. If you got multiple accounts, we're only using this account for this case study here. We're only using this account, but if you use multiple accounts, go ahead and copy, log into your other accounts and send the same email, you know, to all of your accounts, so you don't have to redo this part here. You just copy paste, right? And just make sure to change it from MLG1, because that's your first My Lead Gen Secrets account. MLG2, 3, so on and so forth, you know. But yeah, that's about all that I have to say about that. Yeah. Wish you all best, man. And oh yeah, let me run through real quick. You can get the links are in the description. All kinds of links are in the description. Like I said, you can start and make videos like I'm making them. And you can start getting sales. As you see, I'm not getting that many views. I'm not at all. I'm averaging around 20-ish views a video, but I still got a sale from making videos like this. So on my Lead Gen Secret, so you can just copy what I'm posting as well. So you do all of this stuff, and all of it adds up. You know, you start making money, stuff start coming in, you start making recurring, and you can eventually make enough money to not have to work again. It can take a while, and maybe it's unbelievable, but we're not trying to be millionaires. We're just trying to not work again. That's our goal. Because I'm not a millionaire. I want to make sure to clarify that. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not making millions of dollars. All right? I'm not making millions of dollars, so I can't talk about that. It's more about just trying to help y'all pay your bills. You know, for right now, that's the goal. Step one is to pay bills and make it so you don't need to work anymore. That's the goal. So you gotta have steps to it. You gotta have one goal, then you gotta have your next. But your first goal is to not have to work. Be able to quit your job and not have to worry about it. That's your goal. All right. One more thing. There's a business opportunity called Savings Highway Global that works much better than Clickbank, because when you get a sale on Savings Highway Global, you get recurring commissions every month. And you want to do that if you want to build income. You want to try to get somewhere. That's what we're doing. That's what we're starting with. And I'm gonna have a link in the description for that as well. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Like, comment, subscribe, do all of the things at the bottom there. Yeah. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.